Welcome friends, lesson number 2, real numbers. Now the point is quadratic surd. We know that any quadratic surd can be written in the form of nth root of a, where a is called as a radicand and n is called as a order of surd, and this sign is called as a radical sign. If this order, that is n, is equal to 2, then the surd is called as a quadratic surd. For example, root 3, root 5, root 7, these surds have order 2, here is 2, order 2. Therefore, these surds are called as a quadratic surd. So, surd having order 2 is called as a quadratic surd. Now, let us see what is meant by binomial quadratic surd. If we add or subtract two surds, suppose root 3 is a surd plus root 5 is another surd, then this is called as a binomial quadratic surd. Both the numbers are surds here. Now root 3 minus root 2, this is also binomial quadratic surd because both the numbers are surds. Root 3 is a surd and root 2 is also surd. Suppose 5 plus root 5. In this number, 5 is a non-zero rational number and root 5 is a surd. Therefore, this is also binomial quadratic surd. We take a number 5 minus root 5. This is also binomial quadratic surd. So what is meant by binomial quadratic surd? In the sum or difference of two numbers, one of which is a quadratic surd and other is a quadratic surd or non-zero rational number, then it is called as a binomial quadratic surd. Now conjugate pair of binomial surd. Take the example root 3 plus root 5 and another is root 3 minus root 5. These are called conjugate pairs of binomial surds. Here is a difference between signs. Here minus sign between these two quadratic surds and here is a plus sign between these two quadratic surds. Numbers are same but sign is a difference there. Then such a pairs are called as a conjugate pair of binomial surd. Now if we multiply these two pair, what will happen? It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We know that a plus b in first bracket, a minus b in second bracket, then its answer will be a square minus b square. So here we write root 3 square minus root 5 square is equal to root 3 square is a 3 and root 5 square is 5. 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2, which is rational number. Therefore, product of conjugate pairs of binomial surd is always rational number. And in these two pairs, root 3 plus root 5 is called as a rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 5, or root 3 minus root 5 is called rationalizing factor of root 3 plus root 5. So binomial surds in the conjugate pair are rationalizing factors of each other. So what is meant by conjugate pair of binomial surd? Binomial surd in the form of root a plus root b and root a minus root b. What is different there? There is difference only in a sign. There is a taken plus sign and here is taken minus sign. Numbers are the same. Or a plus root b or a minus root b. Here one number is rational number, non-zero rational number, and other is a surd rational number, other is surd. and there is a difference between the signs of both the surds. Such a pair is called as a conjugate pair, and product of the conjugate pairs of two binomial surds is always rational number. Practice set 2.4, question number 1, multiply. Example number 1 is a root 3 in bracket root 7 minus root 3. Let us solve this example. Now multiply by root 3 in bracket root 3 into root 7, then this minus sign, then root 3 into root 3 is equal to this 3 and 7 can be written in common root in square root of 3 into 7 minus this 3 and 3 also can be written in a common square root 3 into 3 is equal to 3 sevens are 21 minus 3 into 3 9 is equal to in square root 21 minus square root of 9 is a 3. Therefore square root of 3 in bracket root 7 minus root 3 is equal to root 21 minus 3 is the answer. Now let us see example number 2. Example number 2 is in bracket root 5 minus root 7 bracket complete into root 2. So multiply this root 5 to root 2, then minus sign, multiply by root 7 to root 2. Therefore we have root 5 into root 2 minus this root 7 into root 2 is equal to in common square root 5 into 2 minus in common square root 7 into 2 is equal to 5 into 2 is a 10 minus 7 into 2 is 14. So we write answer root 5 minus root 7 into root 2 is equal to square root of 10 minus square root of 14. Now let us solve the example number 3. Example number 3 is in first bracket 3 root 2 minus root 3. In second bracket 4 root 3 minus root 2. Multiply by this term to this bracket and then minus sign and multiply by root 3 to the second bracket. So we write 3 root 2 and second bracket is 4 root 3 minus root 2. Then this minus sign and root 3 and second bracket is 4 root 3 minus root 2 is equal to, now multiply by 3 root 2 in bracket 3 root 2 into 4 root 3, then minus sign 3 root 2 into root 2, then this minus root 3 minus root 3 into 4 root 3. Now this minus will get plus root 3 into root 2 is equal to 3 into 4 12 into in common root 2 into 3 2 into 3. Now minus 3 into in common root 2 into 2, 2 into 2 minus this 4 into square root of 3 into 3, 3 into 3 plus in square root of 3 into 2 is equal to, this is a 12 and this is 2 into 3 is a 6 minus 3, 2 into 2 is a 4, square root of 4 minus 4 into 3 into 3 is a square root of 9 plus 3 into 2, that is root 6, is equal to 12 root 6 plus this root 6, square root of 4 is a 2, so we write 3 into 2 minus 4 into square root of 9 is 3. Now 12 root 6 and 1 root 6, that will be 12 plus 1, 13 root 6 minus 3 into 2, 6 and 4 into 3 is a minus 12 is equal to 13 root 6 minus 18. Question number 2. Rationalize the denominator. Example number 1 is 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. We have to rationalize the denominator. In the denominator, the term is 2 root 5 minus 3 into root 2, and rationalizing factor of this denominator is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. We take here plus sign and multiply and divide the denominator, numerator and denominator by this term. So we have to write here 3 upon 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 multiply denominator multiply numerator by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, and also multiply the denominator by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2, because 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2 has a conjugate of 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So we multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate. So is equal to 3 into this term, 3 in bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now see the denominator. Here is the terms are in the form of a minus b into a plus b. We know that a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, that is square of first term minus square of second term. So 2 root 5 square minus 3 root 2 square is equal to 3 in bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 square is a 4 and root 5 square is a 5 minus 3 square is a 9 and root 2 square is a 2 is equal to 3 in bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 into root 2 upon 4 into 5, 20 minus 2 into 9, 18 is equal to 3 in bracket 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 20 minus 18 is 2 here. Now let us solve example number 3. Example number 3 is a 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. So is equal to 4 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. Now multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. Conjugate of 7 plus 4 root 3 is 7 minus 4 root 3. So we multiply the numerator and denominator of this term by the conjugate is equal to 4 in bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 upon, here also this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that is first term square minus second term square is equal to 4 in bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 square is a 49 minus 4 square is a 16 and root 3 square is a 3 here. So equal to 4 in bracket 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 49 minus 16 into 3 is 48 is equal to 4 in bracket 7 minus 4 root 3. Let us multiply by 4 in bracket 4 into 7 is a 28 minus 4 into 4 is a 16 root 3. Now let us solve example number 4. Example number 4 is root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3. We have to rationalize the denominator, and the factor in the denominator is root 5 plus root 3, and the rationalizing factor of this term is root 5 minus root 3. Therefore we multiply numerator and denominator by root 5 minus root 3. So we write root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 plus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3 upon root 5 minus root 3 is equal to, now this term root 5 minus root 3 into root 5 minus root 3, that is root 5 minus root 3 bracket square. Now root 5 plus 3 into root 5 minus root 3 is a plus b into a minus b. Answer is a square minus b square, that is the first term square root 5 square minus second term square root 3 square is equal to, now expand this bracket, this is expansion of a minus b bracket square, and this expansion is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is the first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square, that is the first term root 5 first term square minus 2 into first term is root 5 into second term is root 3 now plus second term square root 3 square, this is the expansion divided by root 5 square is a 5 and root 3 square is a root is a 3. Now root 5 square is 5 here minus 2 into in square root 5 into 3 5 into 3 plus root 3 square is a 3 divided by 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to, Now this 5 and plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 2 in square root 5 into 3 is 15 divided by 2 is equal to, now take 2 common in the numerator, therefore 2 in bracket it will be 4 minus in square root 15 divided by this 2. Now 2 will get cancelled. So what will remain here is the 4 minus square root of 15, and that is the answer.